Why is your internet so slow on your iPhone? Stop turning your Wi-Fi off to get a better connection. Why does everything keep buffering? Maybe you need more connections or even more connections. There's nothing more annoying than buffering, dropped FaceTime calls, videos that take forever to load, and messages that don't send. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the poor connection problems and slow internet for your iPhone. Now, unless your iPhone is really old or damaged, it's probably not an issue with the phone itself, but rather it's your network. Could be your Wi-Fi that's bad, could be your cellular, could be both, or you could just be at the edge of the range. Now, either way, there is a fix. Not many people know that you can actually combine your Wi-Fi and cellular together to make them stronger and faster. The Speedify app lets you combine multiple internet connections at once. Speedify not only merges your internet connections, it also detects when one of them is weak. Then it seamlessly transfers all of your traffic to the stronger connection, so your connection will never drop out. This advanced technology is called channel bonding. Now, Speedify is also a powerful VPN, or virtual private network, that encrypts all of your app and web activity to prevent hackers and even your own internet service provider from snooping in on what you're doing online. This means the Speedify can also unblock apps and websites on networks where they may have been restricted, like school or office Wi-Fi. And if you're traveling with friends or family trying to stay connected somewhere where the signal is really bad, like a train, hotel, convention, or even a music festival, you can actually combine multiple mobile hotspots together to create one stronger, more stable, and secure connection for everyone. Just use Speedify's pair and share feature. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices, and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular with each other wirelessly. So if you're tired of connection issues on your iPhone, you know what to do. Download Speedify today from the App Store and enjoy better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you want to learn more useful tech tips, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.